We can't be rolling around letting people see our goods. We gotta cover that up. It's time for an inner fender liner. Let's do it. What is up, guys, and welcome back. You didn't see the last video, we just did the Jeep fender flares. Now we got big clearance and we need something to protect our engine and our brake components and all that from all that water. It's being thrown around, sloshed around, mud, snow, all that kind of stuff. So inner fender liners today. Let's go at it. It's aluminum set, nice and durable, rugged. They're all pre-drilled, and then you've got a couple sections where you've got pre-threaded little inserts there. And check it out if you want. You can pick out something you like that American flag there, which I did check. It does have 50 stars and 13 stripes, so good job with that. The kit also has two of these options, of course. Option of leaving it open. Two, one of these aluminum disc you can put behind it. You can keep that raw, or you can paint it any color to match the accessories on your Jeep. And then number three, this light kit, which goes right behind there. And remember when we took the Jeep fender off, we took off the factory running light? That just hooks right to that. That is not only cosmetic, but if the Jeep is rolling around in the dark, that side marker light's not there anymore. So this is a little indication that there's a vehicle there. So it'll help you out. Today, we will be installing the front only. The back is still shipping. I thought it all came in one big box, and I got looking around and was like, something's missing here. If you want this kit, check out Amazon. It'll cost you $100 for the front, $100 for the rear. Go on Amazon, you spell it like this, Z-G-A-U-T-O. First thing I'm gonna do is turn this over and install this light. If I bring the factory running light up, it's got a white and a black wire right there. First, I'm gonna test it, make sure it works. Then I'm gonna snip it, and on the back of our new panel, we've got a white and a black wire. Perfect. I want to do a little test right here real quick to make sure that these work before I put them in and crimp them. Hopefully you'll see that light up. Looks like it is. Can't tell out here, it's too sunny. Just use those electrical butt connectors, connected to new wiring, and we're good to go. Put this on, I'm gonna have to come in here and I'm gonna have to take off this right here to let this access underneath. Shoving these wires up, zip tie them and stuff. Go ahead. I think we'll just need to loosen it. Zipping out these wires so we got clearance when we come back in. You're gonna come in with this first piece, and this is gonna go under here. This has to go back over top that spring tower, and these two holes gotta line up here. So make sure your cord's out of the way, tucked up, and that'll get you, because it'll get against that little railing there. The key is to start this thing first, over here, and work the clearance. There goes that cord. Work the clearance down there, over that spring. And you just feel it line right up, just like that. We'll go ahead and put these two bolts in, and I'm going to use the factory bolts for those. Part right here that wants to hold this to that. So for one, when I tighten this, that's going to sandwich that real tight. Then we've got this one down here. Self-tapping screw, impact gun, send it right in there. Some people might be like, oh, he used a self-tapper. Well, guess what? This is America. If you don't use a self-tapper, you got a problem. If you don't believe me, look right there. Oh yeah. Those two right there. That side back there. Just like that. Place it where you want it to finally rest. Zip it. Calls for 2 more holes to be drilled right back here. It's a awful thick double steel there. Pre-drill, send a self-tapper. was definitely way easier than I thought it was going to be. And you got to see the difference. I got to show you this with before and after, before I finish the other side, because it's the details. It's the details that really matter, and this thing looks so much cleaner. Sure, it looks nasty and stuff when you see all up in there, but you can't let that stuff corrode and get all old and ruined. Like we live in the Rust Belt, bro. Look at before. It looks like it's unfinished. Now look at after. Look how much cleaner that looks. That's the ticket right there. Other side now done as well. It is dark, it is spooky, and we're in the middle of a cornfield. I swear I tell people it's a matter of time until I see that alien leg like on signs. They're out here, bro. But here we go. Let's test out the lights in these Fenders. Running lights on. Oh yeah, it looks good. It's just real subtle. You're not going to be able to tell. It doesn't look as red on camera as it is out here. It's just real subtle. Perfect. Looks really good. Don't forget my channel. I've got all kinds of other Jeep stuff on there. Bumper installs, the winch, the light bars, the lift kit, the tires, all of it. It's on there. Hey guys, that's all I have for today. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, check out the people on the bottom of my channel called Bad Mofos. Hours and hours of fun. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Later. Peace.